multi-tax processor, and the idea is that you can have multiple processes on each end of the wire, up to 3 unique processes for each end, and the software allows you to go to a process more than once in a sequence of up to 6 steps. So in possibility, you have the capability of doing 6 processes on each end of the wire, albeit they would be using one process more than once. Accuracy. The machine is powered by brushless servo motors, giving us optimal speed and accuracy. The swing arm has 2 servo motors, one positioning the axis, which is a stripping axis, and the other is positioning the rotary axis for positioning the wire to the press station. There is also a brushless servo motor driving the cutter head. The cutter head mechanical device is driven by a precision ball screw, again giving us optimal speed and accuracy. The setup is very important in this design, and one thing that we've done to simplify the change of blades is provided tool holders which allow you to quickly change upper and lower tools. Of course, they're only needed to be changed if they go dull, because the machine does feature programmable and automatic strip setting. The machine features also a servo-driven belt drive system with a separate encoder for length accuracy. It has a self-threading feature. And again, all guide tubes are potential output for open barrel is well over 4,500 pieces an hour. Operator station. It is where the operator would stand to collect the wires. You can see that there's an ability to start and stop the machine, open the guard, and do an e-stop. In addition, you see the machine has a standard passive 1-meter collector on it. In addition, you can buy an optional 2-meter or 4-meter motorized collector for longer lengths. The terminal reels are located below the work table, which facilitates less ergonomic issues because of reduced lifting versus going above the work table. As a setup now, it's set up for a side feed. There's also ability to do end-to-end feed and right-to-left feed if required. The press base is adjustable as a standard feature with a hand wheel, and it does have a calibrated setting. As an option, this hand wheel could be replaced with a motor and allow you to program the height change. This is particularly useful when going from open to closed barrel frequently. It eliminates a manual setup and allows you to reduce your setup time. The TU10 is fully integrated into the MTX Series machines. Of course, the TU10 features some very advanced setup capabilities. It is also a servo-driven press that allows you to program not only the opening stroke of the press, but also the crimp height. Again, this eliminates the need to manually adjust crimp heights on die units, and therefore reducing errors and problems with crimp height settings. While the machine is mostly controlled via servo motors and electronics, there still is some air requirements. The main air requirements are for the closure of the feed rollers and the grippers. Here you can see the adjustment of these features, which are done independently. As an option, these 2 features and settings can be done programmably. And in that case, you would not need to adjust these valves. You would do it through the software. The stripping slugs are neatly collected in a bin that's located underneath the table. Of course, that's easily removed once it is filled. It does also include a glass window so that you can, the operator can see how full that is and know it's when to change.